This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Jim Stanley. Beautiful and nothing better than new. Open floor plan, modern in style and feel. Be the first owner of this new construction home. Lots of pluses: 2 closets in master bedroom, big master bath, stylish kitchen with stainless steel appliances, big great room with open floor plan, big lot, over 2 acres, and covered porches front and back. Oversized garage to top it off. Come and see this one today. For more information, review the details below or contact Jim Stanley at 479-264-7294.